took us about an hour and a half.
Houston, do you copy? Do you copy, Houston? The eagle is down. I repeat, the eagle is down.
So here we are going to Dawki, which is somewhere in the western hills of Meghalaya. And it's going to be fun this, huh? But right now I can't see nothing. It's fog. And my buddy here from Dubai definitely has got something to say about it.
Yalla Habibi, Yalla Habibi. I cannot see anything. Yalla Habibi. It's 4G. I've not seen this in Dubai. We don't have this in Dubai. We make this in Dubai. We don't have it. There's no natural like this, Habibi. Drive slow, Habibi. Habibi, drive slow, Habibi. Yalla Habibi.
It's clearing up. So
Yalla.
Or maybe I spoke too soon because it was getting worse.
So here we are travelling to Dawki, which is famous for the River, folks. And this is we're almost hitting October in another couple of days. But as you can see, driving in the night is not really recommended. Of course, especially if you're not experienced. But the beauty about driving in such conditions is, it's just the thrill that you get from, it's terrifying at times, but you also get the thrill out of it. The adrenaline rush is just so amazing. It's more visible keeping my head outside the car, but it's a big ditch right here. This is fun.
After all that scary drive, I'm glad we were able to reach our destination safely. On our stay at Lamin Guest House, we were also able to use the personal gym of the owner, which will soon be open to all the guests staying at Lamin Guest House. Do check it out.
try that at home. I did it after a week of basic training. I'm not going to be a boxer. And it may just help you enough self-defense. Thank you everyone. Cheers. It's literally burning right now and it's 32 degrees. I'm not kidding. And we are here at Dawki, West Chantia Hills, but very near to East Chantia, East Khasi Hills. So our food is here. We're having our lunch and the food looks amazing. So that's the mutton for you, and this is the chicken liver, kind of cut into small pieces. We call it dojam siar. Siar means chicken, dojam means the small pieces of meat. And then this is some kind of a basin looking thing. It's really good. I tasted this a while ago. But this particular video is not necessarily only for the food right now, but this place and the hospitality we have been getting throughout the entire week. This is known as a Bayana tea shop, and that's the name of the shop. So whenever you come to Dawki, please stop over this place. It's a Bayana Hotel. Yeah, so you can look for Bayana Hotel. It's written up on top somewhere there. And come over here and taste the good food made by this amazing owner, amazing chef, Kong Reshma. Kong Reshma Jai Tongpea. Her last name is Tong Tinsong. Sorry, Kong Reshma Tinsong. They are feeding me information right now. So it's right next to the main road over there. So that's the main road. On the right goes towards Tamabil, and this is Bayana Hotel. And this over here is the place where it's a station where they bring their food and take it to the customers. And this is called Reshma, and she's a mother of a single child, and she's got the cutest daughter. Her name is Rafiliana, and you can see her TikTok videos. And of course, that's the chicken side over there, and we also have another place over here on top. It's kind of spacious, but there you go. So yeah, not some fancy 5-star hotel, but the hospitality has been amazing. The husband, Krishan. So Krishan, it was very good to meet you. And Krishan has been amazing with his food, help, and very reasonable price as well. So do check out Bayana Hotel when you come to Dawki. We'll enjoy our food now. Cheers. Have a nice day. Sorry.
Awesome food. Let's start. Let's begin.
Ta-da! I love the color combination of this room. White and, should I call this blue or aquamarine? I'm not sure. Don't judge me on colors. I'm a man. No colors come to my mind. I see this as blue. So I'm sure it's not blue, it's aquamarine or something else. So, beautiful room. The ceiling is not very, very high, so the fan is really, really near. So, we're gonna get more wind. There's no AC, but no problem. Bathroom. Well, the bathroom is this clean. You don't mind spending here for another 5 minutes. It smells so good. Alright, cool. Beautiful. Yeah, a bigger TV as well. Yeah. And yes, they do have a nice meeting table. Right here, we have a wardrobe. It's locked now, but you can keep your stuff over there. If you're scared of the dark, just turn this on in the night. Sleep along with it. Should be fine. And nice looking wardrobe with the mirror. Check yourself out. Yes. So, mirror, full body mirror, and of course, I look good. Let's move out. And so this is what it is, you know. And you have card system here as well, so you can set card for power when you take it out, and obviously the lights go off.
through so many journeys that I've been to, one thing is very much evident. The human connection is what makes your travel more special. I mean, despite the amazing sights or spots or, beauty, but, if there is that lack of human connection, it just creates that big gap in your travel diaries. Thank you so much from Social Me to you for watching this video till the end. See you soon for our next adventure to Mogorwan. Cheers.